The Miss Universe India 2025 is contestant number 21, Malika Vishwakarma.
And this feeling is so amazing. The journey has been amazing. I would like to thank my mentors, my teachers, my parents, my friends and my family for everything, and for the upcoming competition. I aim to do my best to represent India at its finest and hopefully to get the crown home.
How has been your preparation? What was your training procedure? How did you prepare for the pageant?
So I prepared for the pageant in Beauty High Academy. My coach has been Arnish Imprisha Damari, the most amazing person who trained me for ramp walk. For communication, I took classes with Rita ma'am in Beauty High Academy itself. And I think she's the most wonderful, supportive person. And I'm so grateful for all the lessons that I've learned. I think with hard work and consistency, anything is possible. And well, my next dream is to first of all represent India to its finest at the upcoming Miss Universe happening in Thailand. And hopefully we aim to get the crown home. That is the biggest dream that any Miss India can dream of. Rather than struggle, preparation की एक journey होती है, and मेरी एक journey थी. मैं अपने शहर गंगानगर से आई केम टू दिल्ली, मैंने प्रिपरेशन की, बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली एक जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, जो करेज होता है, दैट वी हैव टू इनकलकेट इन आवरसेल्व्स. एंड आई थिंक सबका एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा, whether it was my mentors, Mr. Anish sir, who has taught me ramp walk. Other than that, Rita Gangwani ma'am, Ritika Ramitri ma'am, they have taught me communication. I'm so grateful to Beauty High Academy, to Glamour for treating me so well. And most importantly, for nurturing talent. I think rather than struggle, we should talk about the best of the best possibilities that we get here on a platform like this. I think pageantry एक field से बढ़कर एक दुनिया है, which makes you a character. आप एक किरदार बनते हैं for your entire life. आपको एक opportunity मिलती है to inspire people. And I think I've stepped in it. So I'm so grateful for that. And most importantly, it's not just a reign of an year. ये सिर्फ एक साल के लिए नहीं होता, ये ज़िंदगी भर के लिए होता है. आप किसी भी फील्ड में जाएं, after doing pageants, the benefits, the personality that you carry will always stay with you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रिया सिंगा है. आई एम योर मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया 2024 और यहाँ पे हम गैदर हुए हैं फॉर मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया 2025 जयपुर में जी स्टूडियोज़ में. और जो लड़की आज क्राउन हुई है, आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट हर. शी इज़ डन सो वेल. ऑलमोस्ट 50 कंटेस्टेंट्स में से वो आकर ऊपर इंडिया का नाम रोशन करेगी, बहुत 130 कंट्रीज़ के सामने थाईलैंड में. So all my luck to her, all my love to her, and I'm always there to support her, and I'm sure she's going to do great to make our country proud. मेरा एक ही टिप है जो है कि आप बाहर की आवाज़ें बंद कर दीजिए, सिर्फ अंदर का सुने जब आपके पास कम समय हो. मिस यूनिवर्स अभी बहुत ही कुछ ही महीनों में हो रहा है, तो अंदर की आवाज़ सुने, हमेशा दिल की आवाज़ सुने, और अगर आप ऐसे चलेंगे तो फिर आप बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ें करेंगे.
This is what all of my fans wanted, and this is quite a surprise to me because I did not know that Glamanand also has Miss India International. And thank you so much for appointing me and making me the winner of Miss India International. I'm just hoping to do my best for the international stage for India.
India has never won Miss International crown, and fans say that you can be the first Indian to win Miss International. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I think even I have a dream to win for India. So let's see what destiny may hold for all of us, and let's hope.
Actually बहुत ज़्यादा tough competition था, but I think we have the real winner with us, and it's also my 10-year anniversary, and we are very, very happy that we got her as a winner. It's truly special for us, and we have found a very strong, solid, winner for us, and she will surely make us proud at the Miss Universe. Will you? Yeah, yes. She will do her best.